cell and I asked where'd it come from. Do we know? My professor said we're pretty sure evolution made it a long, long time ago. Is it proof? No, no, not yet. Scientists are still running tests. In the meantime, you just got to believe. I learned about the beautiful design of DNA and I asked where'd it come from. Do we know? My professor said we're pretty sure evolution made it a long, long time ago. Is it proof? No, no, not yet. Scientists are still running tests. In the meantime, you just got to believe. When I stare into a microscope, I'm amazed by the incredible complexity of nature. It's hard to ignore the brilliant design, attesting to the greatness of its creator. I learned about the beautiful design of the atom and asked where'd it come from. Do we know? My professor said we're pretty sure it came from a big bang a long time ago. Is it proof? No, no, not yet. Scientists are still running tests. In the meantime, you just got to believe. Not to detract from the accomplishments of science, but let's give credit where credit is due. If you think that life's random and unplanned, you got a lot more explaining to do. When I stare into a microscope, I'm amazed by the incredible complexity of nature. It's hard to ignore the brilliant design, attesting to the greatness of its creator.